Do you have an upcoming interview? Can you not talk properly due to coughing? Is your coughing spoiling your lovely moments with your loved ones? Are you suffering from continuous coughing and chest congestion? Presenting the K&H Cough Free Expectorant from Koei Pharma. K&H Cough Free Expectorant is a medicine that is used for the treatment of cough, coughing, asthma, chest congestion, bronchitis, breathing problems, and other conditions. K&H Cough Free Expectorant is formulated with ambroxyl hydrochloride, terbutylene sulfate, and guaifenesin, which helps in the relief of cough associated with bronchitis, bronchial asthma, emphysema, and other bronchopulmonary disorders. Spasm, mucus plugging, and problems of expectoration coexist. K&H Cough Free Expectorant works by increasing the viscid or excessive mucus in the respiratory tract, thus making the phlegm thinner. By temporarily relieving the minor pain through the relaxation and opening of the airways, it reduces the phlegm in the air passages. K&H Cough Free Expectorant has a most effective formulation for cough and other respiratory conditions.
It's time to be cough-free.